Guys, I want to do a quick close-up video of our 27-inch micro mini LED light bar. Guys, I know we have a bunch of pictures on the website, but guys, pictures don't do it justice. You get this light bar in, you get to feel it, you get to touch it, you get to see how solid it is, you get to see how bright it is. Guys, the video doesn't show you how bright a light bar is. Put it on your vehicle, put it in direct sunlight. I guarantee you it's going to be blinding. I guarantee you it's going to be bright. I guarantee you it's going to be noticeable out there. Guys, I want you to see how thin it is. I have a quarter here. The light bar is thinner than a quarter. The width of a quarter. Guys, you can't go wrong. Available in different flash pattern, different color combinations. Has multiple different flash patterns. Going to go through a bunch of them here. Guys, there's a magnet mount underneath. 4 magnets, 40-pound rated. And then, again, great off-axis lighting. Great head-on lighting. Cigarette lighter plug with an on and off switch so you guys can change the patterns in your vehicle. Guys, these light bars, we have them available in different sizes, different lengths, different styles. But wow, this is the 5-watt intensity light bar. Can't go wrong with it. My cameraman can zoom out a little. You guys can see exactly how bright this light bar gets the further back you go. Questions, comments, love hearing from you guys. Love to hear your feedback, guys. We built this light bar because of you guys, from your comments, from your suggestions. Guys, guarantee you're gonna get it in. You're gonna be like, wow, this light bar is blinding. You guys are gonna start closing your eyes. That's how bright this light bar is. Don't look at it directly. Put it on your vehicle. Be safe out there. Love to hear from you soon. Guys, have a great and safe day.